Hello everybody, this is the first video for Crafts Fibers on how to make a coil core vessel. What you're going to need to start is the coil core, which looks like this. You want it to be about 2 arms length, so that's more or less your arms just stretched completely out. You're also going to need some yarn. You're going to cut yourself a piece of yarn about 4 arms length. So take your yarn, go all the way out once, all the way out twice with your arms. It's about 4. It's not exact science. Cut it. That's all you need to complete this video and start this project out. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to have to decide what type of shape you want for your coil core vessel. So here we have some examples. This one is more round, as you can tell. If you want something more round, the first bend that you make in your coil core has to be smaller, whereas if you want something that's more long versus skinny, see this shape? The first bend that goes in here, it's got to be longer. You've got to get a longer original bend on your coil core. So let me just give you another couple examples. Smaller, so the piece is a little bit more round, but in order to make it completely round, you need that first bend to be extremely short. And then our last example. Okay. I'm going to tilt the screen down here so that you can see my hand and see how you work. You want your coil core to be set up so that it all just like works, so that it goes around in one circle. You don't want it to be bent or anything like that. Take your string and actually first decide here on the bend how far you want to bend it. So I'm just going to go with the standard bend, which is about down to your second knuckle, something about that. Gives you a slightly oval shape. And take it, gonna bend it like that, okay? Then we're gonna start. Take one end of your string, lay it across there, okay? Hold it down and start wrapping. Wrap all the way down to one end. Wrap really tight here so that it's not going to fall off. Then wrap back. Keep wrapping. Keep going with that until see how I wrapped all that? Now you take that, when I bend this over, I'm going to show you a close-up. I want the string to go to about there. You can actually take a little bit off of that. You can really start connecting the two when the string looks like that. Up until this point, you've just wrapped around the one piece of coil core. After this, you're going to take it and we're going to start to do our to connect the two pieces. So in order to do that, you have to wrap around both. Now I want you to think about that, about this in terms of old string versus new string. But I'm going to stop this video and we'll start again from here, and I'll show you the next step there. So this is step 1 to starting your coil core.